बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम नेशनल लाइब्रेरी यूडीसी पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 12/2/2023 को हुआ था इसके MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन डैश। करेक्ट आंसर ए ब्यूरोक्रेसी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट इज द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ फोर्ट्रेस डैश। करेक्ट आंसर बी एक्सीडेंटल। Question number 3, we trust that one God. Correct answer C, one in. Question number 4, which Muslim country has the highest per capita income dash. Correct answer C, Qatar. Question number 5, which is the largest oil company of the world dash. Correct answer D, Exxon. Question number 6, what is the minimum age of becoming the candidates for National Assembly of Pakistan dash. Correct answer A, 25 years. Question number 7, how many seats of Senate are there in Pakistan dash. Correct answer C, 100. Question number 8, who was the first Muslim Nobel laureate dash. Correct answer B, Anwar Sadat. Question number 9, how many major deserts are there in Pakistan dash. Correct answer C, 5. Question number 10, who is the current chairman Joint Chief of Staff Committee Pakistan dash. Correct answer B, General Sair Shamshad Mirza. Question number 11, what is the currency of Turkey dash. Correct answer C, lira. Question number 12, which of the following in currency of China dash. Correct answer A, yuan. Question number 13, the highest civil award of Pakistan is dash. Correct answer D, Nishan-e-Pakistan. Question number 14, which is the highest military award of Pakistan dash. Correct answer C, Nishan-e-Haidar. Question number 15, Babri Masjid is situated in dash. Correct answer A, Ayodhya, India. Question number 16, which of the following clipboard is used to move data from one place to another in a document dash. Correct answer B, cut and paste. Question number 17, which command brings you to the first slide in your presentation dash. Correct answer C, Control plus Home. Question number 18, green line in MS Word document represent dash. Correct answer B, grammatical error. Question number 19, MS PowerPoint is used for dash. Correct answer A, presentation. Question number 20, which of the following is not a MS PowerPoint view dash. Correct answer D, presentation view. Question number 21, on which prophet Tarawat was revealed dash. Correct answer B, Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Question number 22, who among the following is the current finance minister of Pakistan dash. Correct answer C, Ishaq Dar. Question number 23, how many times the word zakat appears with salat in the Holy Quran dash. Correct answer C, 32. Question number 24, how many times command of the erection of namaz is given in the Quran dash. Correct answer D, 700 times. Question number 25, the Muslim invaded Spain in dash. Correct answer B, 711 AD. Question number 26, who lead Muslim force during the Crusades dash. Correct answer C, Salahuddin Ayyabi. Question number 27, where is the grave of Hazrat Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala anha dash. Correct answer C, Jannatul Baqi. Question number 28, Hazrat Abu Bakr Sadiq radhiyallahu ta'ala anha khilafat era is from dash Hajj. Correct answer B, 11 to 13 Hijri. Question number 29, which of the following surah is revealed in respect of Ahl Bayt dash. Correct answer C, Ahzab. Question number 30, which surah is called Zinatul Quran dash. Correct answer A, Surah Rahman. Question number 31. Who was the youngest son of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Dash. Correct answer A. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.